What's up, YouTube? This is my 2005 Ford Ranger. It's got the stock 3-liter, 5-speed, and it's got something that not very many Rangers have, and that's the long bed. 2-wheel drive, not 4. Still handles mud pretty good. It's just light enough to go over everything. Now, I've done a little headlight work to it. See if you guys can notice it at all. Right there. There you go. I like how it switches back and forth like a railroad track, you know. And then if you don't have fogs on, like I do, so you shut those off. They actually blink at the same time, which I thought was pretty sweet. Some people don't like it. To each his own, right? Alright. So, you know, you got the aftermarket radio, the CB with the PA. Doesn't want to work today, it's a little fussy sometimes. Alright, here we go. I'm going to turn her off. Alright, there's the Harley too. You know? Yeah. Engine. I like the exhaust note that comes out of it. We'll set you down for a second. Now, if anyone's wondering how you get that exhaust note, just a little rumble, not anything super loud, super obnoxious. What I did is that third cat, especially on the new emissions ones, there's that third cat right there. I mean, you can see welded it back up at one point, but I had drilled holes through it and left it like that for a little bit, but it sounded ricey, like Honda Mexican fucking bad ricey. So I took the cat off and I completely gutted it. So it's empty, nothing in there. It's basically just a resignator now. And I welded those holes I drilled in it shut, and you know that's how you get this exhaust tone.